everybody, welcome to my YouTube. I'm Jen. Today is Sketchbox Day. Sketchbox is a monthly art subscription box where they send you art supplies, usually for drawing, coloring, things like that. And this is the December box, so let's see what's inside. One thing with Sketchbox is they always have gorgeous artwork on their box, and this month is definitely no different. This is art by Beck Ryan with a gorgeous bamboo and sun. These are just items used from a previous box that I actually did get as well, so that's pretty cool to see them being used like this. Okay, let's see what's inside. First up is the little card that's going to have spoilers on the back, so we'll put that aside. This is artwork being made out of this box, which is super cool. It looks like we're going watercolor. Very pretty tree. Can definitely do something similar to that. And then there's a description on the back of the artist. Artist name is Gris. We met Gris while in Frankfurt, Germany, attending Creative World. On the lookout for new and innovative art supplies. A previous featured artist, we partnered with him on this month's supplies with a few surprises. A self-taught artist with 3 decades of experience in the craft. His approach to art and education continues to inspire us. And then there's ways to follow Gris, which I will do because that is awesome. First up, we have a Derwent line marker 08. This is a chunky little guy. I don't usually get them that big, so that's pretty cool. Then we have a Marabu art crayon. I laugh because the brand Marabu comes up all the time in art boxes, but I do love the art crayons, so that's awesome. And then we've got Marabu fluid art brushes. So they're just water brushes. You fill up the barrel with water and you can paint with them. Then we have another Marabu art crayon, this time in yellow. We have a Sketchbox Signature 6 watercolor pencil. And this has blue, gray, green, yellow. It's either brown or really dark burgundy. I think it's brown and orange. The back says not much. It's definitely, remember to tag your art with hashtag Sketchbox. So it's definitely a Sketchbox branded item, which is perfectly fine. They make really good items usually. So Sketchbox signature pencils. It's too much light. Is there anything else? Yep, we've got some Holbein gouache in permanent white. Some Color Sparks watercolor powder in olive. Some Hahnemühle and Sketchbox custom 4x6 pad. Toned watercolor book. It is like craft paper color, or beigey color. Let's see. A little bit lighter than craft brown. It's like a tan. So that's fun. And I think there's a sticker in here. And that's the last of it. So the sticker has a gouache package. So a pretty good variety. All of these items are watercolor, but you get to try different types, which is pretty cool. I do think I'll do a tree, so thank you for the inspiration. This is the card that tells you all about the items in here and their prices. So we've got the Sketchbox Signature Watercolor Pencils, which I will swatch for you in a second, $11.99. The Marabu Art Crayons in Terracotta and Caramel, which are nice color choices for this. I do not have these 2 colors, so that works. When used dries, they act like an oil pastel. Add water allows you to achieve a smooth gradients and a variety of techniques. The watercolor Sparks powder Packs a punch. The microfine powder can be used in combination with water or any of your favorite mediums for fun effects. Sorry, these are retail. Start over. Retails $11.99. Retails $3.99 each. I think that might be a little bit high, but there you go, $3.99 each. This is $6. The Hoban Artist Gouache 5 ml P permanent weight. Highly pigmented opaque paint is great for highlights and creating tints. This is $6.10. Custom Hahnemühle toned watercolor pad. Adds a new dimension to watercolor media, absorbent with a slight texture. It's perfect for watercolor pencils. Try thinning the white gouache and using it like Gris did. Okay. Yeah, so there's a video. Probably Gris is in the video, which is why they're saying that. This retails for $10. The Marabu Fluid Art Brush Set is $10. And the Derwent is $3.99. So seeing as how this box is about $29–30, definitely got your value out of it this month. Let's swatch real quick before we do anything else. I don't want to put too much. So this is the Color Sparks in the olive. So the olive's going to have the green, but also some other colors. So this is pretty cool. I actually have a couple others similar to this that I really enjoy using. I just got some more Lindy's Magicals for Black Friday. So I like the color mix. And then if you, of course, mix it with water all together, it should probably be a green, I believe. Yep, there's the green. So it's pretty magic. I like it. Pretty magical. Pretty magical. I like it. Next up we have, clean off the tip. Okay, so we have the caramel color. If I can open it. So that is caramel. This is terracotta. And then you can mix it with water. Of course, I'm going to have a green tint because of my brush to smooth it out. There's a couple different ways you can use this. You can put it on your palette and then dip water in it. You can rub it like an oil pastel, things like that. Don't have any water in my brush. You can use it as watercolor, so we'll do that when we're working on our project. So very nice. We have a smidge of white gouache, which is pretty cool to have white on top of this yellow color. So there's the white gouache. And then let's try out these watercolor pencils. I have a feeling that we've gotten some of these before, probably not in the same color, but that could have also been another box, so I won't say anything about it until I know further. So this one's blue. There is no color written on it, but it does pretty closely match the back. Gray, green, yellow. This one's the one that looks like it's probably brown. Yep, definitely brown. And orange. So it's definitely a very woodsy palette, except for that orange. But the orange can be darkened. We do have water in it now, so with the water brush you just squeeze it until the water comes out just a little bit, and then you do your thing. You can of course squeeze more if you want more water, less if you want less water. Clean off your brush in the middle so you don't contaminate the other colors. Unlike me, I still have green all over it, so about to do another green. Yellow, brown, and orange. So let me know what you think in the comment box below. And yeah, time to create. Sorry, future Jen here. I forgot to use the pen. So I'm going to make sure these are fully dry. Minus the white gouache because it's just too thick. And this is a 0.8, so it is a thick guy. Very nice. I like it. Now let's create. overall, I loved all of the supplies in this month's kit. It was genius to use the toned paper underneath. Even adding the white gouache on top added a really cool look and feel to it. I did end up doing this tree twice. Once because the video wasn't recording, so this is my second attempt at it, but I will go ahead and show you both creations. Please do let me know what you think in the comment box below. And as always, thank you so much for watching and subscribing. Have a great day.